So if you just picked up a DualSense controller and you want to use it on your PC, it's actually super simple. First option, wired. Just grab a USB-C cable, plug it into your controller. Okay, that doesn't work, but plug it into your controller and your PC Windows 11 should recognize it. Instantly, no drivers needed, Steam, Epic, even most emulators will pick up right away. Second option, Bluetooth. Hold down the PS button and the Create button until the light bar flashes. That puts it onto pairing mode. On your PC, go to the Bluetooth setting. Hit Add Device, select the controller, and boom, it's connected. Third, if you want a full DualSense features like adaptive triggers and haptic feedback, you'll need to use Steam's controller settings or a tool like DSX from Steam that unlocks all the cool features that don't work by default in every game. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.